Welcome back to LGS Cars. The legend returns, but this time it doesn't just evolve, it dominates. From the scorching deserts to the storm-soaked highways, from the heart of the city to the edge of nowhere, the all-new 2026 Toyota Fortuner rises once again, mightier, smarter, and more unstoppable than ever before. This isn't just an SUV, it's the rebirth of power. It's the moment where heritage meets the future, where rugged strength fuses with cutting-edge intelligence to create something truly extraordinary. Toyota didn't redesign the Fortuner. They reimagined what a true SUV should be. A bold evolution of an icon. The Fortuner has always stood as a symbol of toughness and reliability. But for 2026, Toyota takes that legacy to an entirely new level. Built on the next-generation TNGA-F platform, the same architecture that underpins the Land Cruiser 300 and Lexus GX. The 2026 Fortuner delivers unmatched rigidity, improved comfort, and off-road mastery like never before. Its exterior is more muscular, sculpted with stronger character lines, an assertive front grille, and powerful LED matrix headlights that cut through the darkness with precision. From every angle, it commands respect, a true blend of elegance and intimidation. Power that commands every terrain under the hood, Toyota gives you pure dominance. The 2026 Fortuner is expected to feature a range of upgraded powertrains, from the refined 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine with enhanced torque and fuel efficiency, to the cutting-edge hybrid max system, merging electric intelligence with Toyota's proven off-road capability. Paired with a new 8-speed automatic transmission and available 4-wheel drive with multi-terrain select, the Fortuner can adapt to any environment, sand, mud, rock, or city street, all with a single touch. The result? A machine that feels equally confident climbing mountains or cruising downtown at night. A cabin built for command. Step inside and the transformation continues. The 2026 Fortuner's interior isn't just upgraded, it's elevated. The cabin now boasts premium, soft-touch materials, ambient LED lighting, and Toyota's latest 12.3-inch infotainment system with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The digital driver display and head-up projection deliver all the data you need, while wireless charging, panoramic camera views, and advanced voice controls make every drive effortlessly intelligent. Every seat, every stitch, and every surface has been designed to combine luxury with durability, creating a space that's both refined and adventure-ready. Safety at its core. The 2026 Fortuner doesn't just protect, it anticipates. With the inclusion of Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, you get cutting-edge features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar, cruise control lane, tracing assist blind spot, monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These systems work seamlessly together, transforming the Fortuner into a guardian on wheels. Intelligent, alert, and always ready. A statement of strength and sophistication. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner isn't just an SUV you drive, it's an SUV you command. It embodies the perfect balance between power and prestige, heritage and innovation, adventure and elegance. In a world filled with pretenders, the Fortuner remains the real deal. Unshaken, unstoppable, and utterly fearless. Final verdict. Toyota has taken its legendary SUV and redefined it for the modern era. The 2026 Fortuner isn't just more luxurious, it's smarter, stronger, and ready for anything the road or wilderness throws its way.